More than 1 million tons of non-hazardous household and similar commercial waste is processed annually at the Indaver site in Doel. And at the SLECO plant, they process 580,000 tons of sludge and waste. The energy released from this process is converted into steam and electricity. The fluidised bed incinerator that carries out this process is the largest in Europe. SLECO, a joint venture between Indaver and SITA, manages the incinerator. SLECO relies on Siemens to get the energy efficiency of the machine back on par. Thanks to the integrated drive systems concept, the new drivetrains for the air condensers have performed as anticipated.
The capacity of the 3 fluidised bed incinerators was recently substantially increased. This revealed that our air condenser fans were not providing a high enough flow rate and therefore had insufficient cooling capacity. To fix this, we had to increase the speed of the fans. To achieve that, we had to increase the existing motors and gearboxes from 80 kilowatts to 132 kilowatts. We approached various suppliers for these 3 components, namely the frequency controller, motor and gearbox. Siemens turned out to be the only one who could offer all the components from a single source, which is a huge advantage when it comes to servicing, scheduling and having everything with one partner. Because in the new installation the required motor speed was 1200 RPM, we chose a 60 Hz Siemens AC motor. This turned out to be the best solution in terms of both size and cost. The gearboxes are dimensioned with a service factor of 2 because of the wind load on the fan shafts. This made it possible to guarantee a reliable installation.
To ensure that system downtime was kept to a minimum, everything had to run strictly according to schedule, which is why Siemens appointed a project engineer who could coordinate the whole process with a state-of-the-art project management process from start to finish. SLECO took care of the detail engineering itself, and permanent contractors managed the effective implementation of the project.
Thanks to this approach, we managed to get the system back on stream within the predetermined time and without significant problems. A week after the complete restart of the new Synamics drives, we carried out new air measurements. These showed that the air condenser's capacity had increased by 23%, which was well in excess of the 20% we had hoped for. That means the total profitability of the project turned out to be more than we had foreseen. Thanks to Siemens integrated drive systems, we now have a uniform solution comprising components that dovetail seamlessly. The perfect efficiency we have managed to achieve means the investment will have paid for itself in 2 years' time, because the project was more profitable than we had foreseen, and we have the major added advantage that all components are from one supplier. And now we only have one contact partner we need to call on to keep the wheels turning. Cooperation with Siemens was exceptionally smooth. We thank the Siemens team for their professional approach and look forward to future projects.